Welcome. Today in front of me XIAOMI Mi 11 Ultra, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go to the Google application and launch the Play Store. Now here on the search pool type the green Apple keyboard. Now how to get this application. So tap to install and wait a few seconds while application is installing on your device. Now just open the app. Here tap to the enabling settings and near the green Apple keyboard tap on the switcher. Now just pick OK. One more time click to OK and go back. Here just click to the switch input methods and switch your keyboard to the green English United States keyboard. Now just tap to OK, and as can you see that's finished. And now we'll just check on, for example, we'll type something, and as can you hear, we got here the keyboard, and it's so close to the iPhone keyboard as there are our emojis. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.